Hello friends, welcome to Sudhas Veg Recipes. Now all of us crave for cheese burst pizzas, but in lockdown period it's difficult to order them and get them. So I am showing you a recipe today which will satisfy your craving for cheese burst pizza. So we are making cheese burst sandwich today. So let's get started. I have taken 4 bread slices here. First let's cut the sides, and now once the sides are cut, we will roll them a little. Now do not throw away these sides because we can use them in different ways, and I'll show you different recipes using the leftover pieces or wastage of breads, sides or slices. Fine, so now let's roll them lightly. So we have rolled them well. Now on 2 of the breads I am going to put, this is a mayonnaise and cheese spread mixture. You can use only mayonnaise or only cheese spread, whatever is choice. So put a generous dollop in the center of one bread, and same I do for the other bread. Next I spread some pizza sauce on the top of these other 2 slices, and meanwhile we are doing this preparation, let us heat a griddle or a non-stick pan because we are going to toast them. You can also do that in a oven, but right now I am showing you on a tawa. Now let us place these breads over the earlier bread on which we had spread mayonnaise and cheese spread mixture. Onto this now I am going to arrange some vegetables cut lengthwise. You can choose the vegetables or use the vegetables whatever is available. So I am using the commonly available vegetables, that is tomato, onion and capsicum. You can use mushrooms, you can use colored bell peppers or sweet corn, baby corn, whatever is there. You can use olives, but I am making this a plain one. And some sweet onions. You can use whites of spring onions. Now I am adding cubes of mozzarella cheese here. You can also use grated mozzarella cheese. And finally the pizza seasoning. I have this mixed herb seasoning which has chilli flakes also in it. If you don't have the one of this type, add chilli flakes separately. Our tawa is preheated now, so let's add little butter on this, and I am placing these on this hot tawa. Not very hot, be careful, because we want to give a baking kind of effect to this. And cover it with a lid and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. The cheese appears to be melted now, so let's take the pizza toast out of the pan onto a plate, and now let's cut them. Let's cut this pizza burst sandwich. You can see the cheese bursting out the pizza sandwich, so you can relish them, and it will perfectly give you the feel of and taste of cheese burst pizza. See this one also. So try this delicious cheese burst toast and share the recipe with your friends, and I'm sure you will relish this. And also subscribe to my channel if you have not done still. See you with more exciting recipes. Bye.